You're stuck. You're frozen in time, not building a single damn thing. All day you're just scrolling through this damn screen while time is flying past you like a bullet. Let me be real with you. Your friends won't give you the future you dream of. Your family won't either. Wake up, man. Wake the fuck up. It's time to turn that engine on and get the hell out of the garage. Nobody's coming to save you. It's all on you. Move now or stay stuck forever.